You got it? So tell everyone what you're able to do at the station.
Oh, we were able to store our luggage here. Huge luggage right here.
For how much?
12 euro, 12 francs.
Yeah, you just gotta look for the sign that has this on it. Right there. And you can store it right in these lockers. Let's go.
Let's go. Hey guys, today we just landed in Switzerland and this is our first full day in Switzerland.
We are currently in Lucerne. We arrived in Zurich and we took a train here.
And we're exhausted because we kind of we traveled forward in time. I think it's like 8 a.m. here, but it's like 3 a.m. back in America.
Pretty much, yeah.
So we're not like adjusted to this yet.
Yeah, but we're basically just going to, our check-in time for our Airbnb is at 3. So we have a lot of time to spare. So we're just going to be exploring, but I just want to show you guys. It's already so pretty.
Wow, look at that.
Wow. Look.
Oh, what the? The tent in Twitter, let me? Oh, wow.
I'm so tired. We're gonna first go to the Chapel Bridge, which should be right over there. Or there, I'm not too sure. I haven't done too much researching on this, so we're just gonna go with the flow. As Michael said, way. I don't smell it. Look at that. Wow. Michael, not always about food, man. No, I'm just taking B-roll.
Like this. So far, this place reminds us of Frankfurt, actually Germany.
Look.
It don't get more German than a giant hot, what is it? Hot
sausage.
No, a fleek, what? Fleekkäse? Back in America, it's not even 6 a.m. But these roads literally remind us of Frankfurt. So our first stop, Thai Frosch. We're trying to play it safe right now just because we're hungry.
Are they open?
Oh, they're not even open, bro. What do you think of that lion, Mimi?
He's sleeping, but I would.
It's first. Smell it through the phone. Smell it through your eyes. This is our first meal for the day. Tom kha and pad thai. Just some carbs to start the day. Well, end the day. We're gonna go to sleep as soon as we get to the B&B. Room tour, look at this. Nice spiral stairs going up. We have a nice view, well, a little balcony over here. A little terrace. Look at this nice little table. Look how here we can step out and have our little fondue over there. Bro, they even have a little thing for fondue. Oh. Oops. Got a nice lovely view of the roof of that place. The bathroom, let's talk about the bathroom. Nice modern looking bathroom. And now let's go upstairs. Wow, this is beautiful. Bro, I want to live in a place like this. Like a loft, right? What do you put there though? That's just some random. Wow, beautiful. So this is where we're staying for the night. Brit, show them the fit check. Wow, look how stylish.
We got a jacket and then fleece leggings. It's kind of chilly.
Wow, I love it here.
I love it here.
Hey guys, So we've been on the train for like an hour. This is gonna be like our first true day in Switzerland. I mean, yesterday we knocked out for like 14 hours. We were just exhausted from the flight. The time zone change destroyed us. But now we're at Interlaken Ost, and we're on our way to Grindelwald. Let's show you the map.
So this is where we are right now, Interlaken, and then we're gonna take the train to Grindelwald, and then we're gonna take a gondola up to the first mountain, and then we're just gonna go back to Michael.
Lauterbrunnen.
It's a very pretty town.
Lauterbrunnen. I guess, is that the magic town you were talking about?
Yeah, it has a waterfall.
Look at the views.
We're gonna put in so many better views that we saw on the way here from the train, but the station, the minute we got out, the air was so crispy.
Oh my god.
We wish you a pleasant evening.
This is just a train station. This is...
Grindelwald.
Views are insane.
Actually, it's Grindelwald.
Look at this. Right there. Oh. Right here. We're gonna get ready to get. Yeah, we're gonna go on the gondola here. Oh, you feeling good?
Feeling good. I'm tired. I feel hot. But
You're feeling good, but you're tired and hot and hungry.
yeah, but the views are beautiful though.
Yeah.
We're gonna be riding a gondola up. Woo!
What happened?
I said the door better close.
It will. It's just thinking people will still get on. But look. Yeah. Say cheese.
Cheese. This high up.
Bienvenidos a Fiesta and Top of Adventure. Nos alegra volver a contar con ustedes.
Bro, we are so high up. Bro. Wow.
Jungfrau. First.
The first.
So we're gonna head to the cliff walk. First look at the cliff walk. Right here. Oh, Michael's bundling up in case anything falls out. But this is the ski lift up if you guys are doing winter sports. Smart decision today, though.
I don't understand why it's so hot up here. Like, we overdressed. But look at the views, y'all. Wow. Oh no, I can't do that. Wow, bro.
What do you think?
We're so high up.
Yeah.
Wow. The weather is actually, man, it's actually kind of hot up here, I'm telling you. There's Brit taking some photos for us. Wow. Beautiful.
So this is the first vantage point on Grindelwald First Mountain. So many places for you guys to take photos. And the weather is amazing today. And if you guys could see, right over there is the cliff walk. Right up here. Oh, Michael's filming. Oh my gosh. If you know, you know.
Wow, so they filmed crash landing on you here officially. Beautiful location, look at that.
Beautiful.
Grindelwald.
Look at that. Look at that. This cliff walk is so cool.
We are walking on the first cliff walk and we are high. Oh my god, I'm kind of panicky a little bit. Thank God Brit's here.
Oh, let's see what's here. Michael, bend down a little bit, okay? Wow.
The views are crazy. So apparently we can see a bunch of goats down there, but
I don't see goats.
I don't see them at the moment, but I'll keep the video here for a sec. Let us know if you see them. Alright, that's enough because I'm panicking. Let's go. We got a duck under these caves too. I don't want to drop anything.
You won't, don't worry. You're good, you're good, you're good. You're good, you're good, you're good. You're good. Hold on to the rail.
Okay, we're getting over this one part. Hey, we're kind of doing it, guys. We're kind of making it. I am terrified. Just look at how high we are. I am honestly panicking right now. I can't let go of this side rail. But Brit's over here. Alright guys, we're doing it. We're walking across the thing. I can't see down there because I'm looking at the... Okay, sorry guys. I hate this, I hate this, I hate this. I hate this, I hate this. Okay. Go now, go now. I'm gonna pass out. Go now, go now, go now. Don't drop your phone. It's just the background. The shaking is just nothing. The shaking is just...
Nothing. Quick, hold on to the rock. Quick.
I need to get grounded.
Okay, get grounded.
Okay.
How was that?
Fuck! I hate this.
I didn't think it was that bad.
I hate this, bro.
I didn't think it was gonna be that bad for you today.
I hate this. I know. Look at this, guys. I know it's like when I look at the camera, it looks beautiful, but oh my god, my feet are numb. But as soon as I look at the GoPro, I'm good.
Yeah, look at the GoPro.
Yeah, I'm only gonna stare at the GoPro right now.
Dude, look, we're done.
Really?
Yeah, we're done.
Good.
See, we're done.
We're done already?
Yeah. Let me take a video of you, a photo of you.
Okay. Now we're at the end of it. No big deal.
Dude, how was that? I recommend it so much.
Wow. Yeah, guys, highly recommend doing this first cliff walk at Grindelwald. At Grindelwald. Guys, look at the view.
Mountain first at
Grindelwald. This is at Grindelwald. Look at the views.
There's
Holy crash.
a nice bar area and restaurant for you guys to eat here on top of the mountain. But now we're gonna head on to our second attraction of the day, even though it's already 12 p.m.
I know, the train ride took too long. It was like 2 hours.
We might get something to eat downstairs really quick. Maybe we'll get some at Coop or find a nice restaurant. But
yeah, something. And then we're gonna head to our next location.
Called
Lauterbrunnen.
No K.
Lauter.
It's okay.
We'll take you guys.
Yeah, but yay! That's gonna be our next train.
Look at the view. Top of the mountain. I think we were on the other side of the mountain, but this is beautiful. Where are we, Brit?
You're in Lauterbrunnen.
Lauterbrunnen. Look at that. Lauterbrunnen. Pardon our accents.
We are on our way to find the waterfall.
Let's go look for the waterfall.
It's a cute little quaint town, and I see the waterfall right over there already. But
It's
first,
so steep walking uphill too.
magnets.
Magnets. The water from the waterfall drains down here.
What happened? Where was that?
Let's not talk about it.
You dropped your gloves, huh? In the middle of the street?
I don't know how it got
We only
lost
found
there.
out when we came back around.
Man, how'd it get there, man?
Oh my god. Again. Put it in your shoe.
Bro, this is the third time.
This is kind of underwhelming. I thought of this kind.
I'm just gonna hold on to it. I think we're calling it a night, guys. Day 1 or 2.
If you wanna touch my please use caution. Cold like 0 degrees. I'm out the cage, gotta let out the beast.